Good morning, students. So, just yesterday I sent you a link which explains you about the rate determination and the theories. So, basically, important theories there were IFE and PPP. So, PPP is purchasing power parity theory. IFE is international Fisher effect theory. Now, this purchasing power parity theory takes into consideration of inflation rate between two countries for determining the exchange rate, whereas international Fisher effect, it takes into consideration the interest rate that is prevailing between the two countries. So based on this, to find what will be the exchange rate between two countries in the future, we have this formula, which is E1 divided by E0, which is equal to 1 plus I h raised to the party I plus I 1 plus if raised to the party. So now E1, which is equal to what we are going to find in the future, what will be the spot rate. Next, E0 is the spot rate, current rate. Now right now what is the rate is E0. Next, IH is, H stands for home country. If you are finding purchasing power parity theory, then it stands for inflation. If you are finding international Fisher effect, it stands for interest. Okay, so that's what I said. Purchasing power parity is for inflation and international Fisher effect is for interest. So if you're finding PPP, that is purchasing power parity, then it is inflation. Next, IFF stands for foreign country inflation. Then T is the time period. So we'll see the problem that we have. Okay, this is the problem. Okay, so inflation rate in the US is 10%. So it is inflation means it is purchasing power parity. Inflation rate in Germany is 4%. If the current exchange rate is dollar 0.50 per Deutsche Mark, what should be the future spot rate for next 12 months? So formula we are writing, E1 divided by E0 is equal to 1 plus IH 1 plus IF raised to the party is equal to E1 is a future, we don't know, we are supposed to find, divided by E0 right now. What is the spot? It is 0.50, which is equal to 1 plus IH. So here it is home country, this is foreign country. So foreign country is Germany. So I 1 plus inflation rate in home country is here US. So how much it is? 10%, 0.10, divided by 1 plus in Germany inflation rate is 4%, so 0.04, which is equal to 0.5, 1.10 raised to the power 12 months means 1 year, it is time period. So 1 divided by 1.04 raised to the power 1, so we get so much. So after 1 year it will be $0.529 per Deutsche Mark. Next, you check one more problem we have is for IF, international Fisher effect, where interest rate is given. See the rate, N dollar spot rate is given as N 108 per US dollar. Interest rate in Tokyo and New York is given as 6 and 12% respectively. It means Tokyo it is 6%, New York it is 12%. So if the rate is given like this, 108, which means Japan is the Yen is in Japan currency. So yeah, Japan is a home country and dollar, that is US, is the foreign country. So what is the spot rate 2 years from now? So after 2 years, what is the spot rate we are supposed to find? So formula is same. Here I stands for interest rate now. So after 2 years it is asked, therefore we are writing E2 divided by spot rate, how much? 108. So 108 is equal to 1 plus home country is which one I said? Japan. So in Tokyo it is how much? 6%, 0.06 raised to the party, here it is for 2 years, so 2 divided by 1 plus in New York it is 12%, so 0.12 raised to the power 2. So you will get N 96.74 per dollar. Next, one more is there. Mexico inflation rate is given as 12%. This year US inflation is 2%. Spot rate is given as $10. What would you estimate the peso worth in 1, 2 and 3 years? So 1 year, write the formula E1 divided by E0 we usually write, and then take it to the right. So it's okay, now we have understood. So E1 is equal to $0.10 spot rate into 1 plus IF we used to write. So together I have written as 1 plus this 2% to 0.02, that comes to 1.02. Since it is 1 year, so raised to the power 1 it is, so no need to write, divided by 1 plus 0.12, which is equal to so much. Next, they have asked for 2 year also. To 2 years you will write E. This is same, only raised to the power you will be writing it as 2. For 3 years you will be writing it as raised to the power 3. So this is how we determine the exchange rate using various theories.